And now more on the dramatic steps taken by Pennsylvania Governor Tom Wolf in basically shutting down Montgomery County except essential services.
Here with those details and much more, health reporter Stephanie Stahl. Hi.
That's right, ladies. The number of COVID-19 cases in Pennsylvania, as we said, is 22, and half are in Montgomery County. Officials say the shutdown that starts tomorrow is the best way to stop the spread of this virus and keep people safe. In an effort to stop the spread of COVID-19, the governor announced substantial closures for Montgomery County that will last at least 2 weeks.
In Montgomery County, I am ordering the closure of all schools, community centers, gyms, and entertainment venues. This includes Y's, theaters, sporting events, concerts, and I am strongly recommending the closure of non-essential retail facilities.
Pennsylvania Governor Tom Wolf says Montgomery County is the epicenter of the COVID-19 outbreak, where there are 13 of the state's 22 cases. Among those cases, a doctor and a police officer, people with broad contacts in the community. The governor's closing order covers places like the King of Prussia Mall and Theater, Suburban Square, and the Ardmore train station.
The goal is not to shut anybody down. The goal is to keep Pennsylvania safe. And by taking action, decisive action to mitigate, we're moving beyond just simply containing, trying to find out who got sick, who did they talk to, who did they touch, and doing this. Montgomery County is the place we're starting.
Dr. Valerie Arkush, chair of the Montgomery County Board of Commissioners, says the county supports the governor's actions.
We're hoping to slow the rate of spread of disease and to decrease the ultimate total number of individuals who are impacted.
She also recognizes this will not be easy on the residents.
We know that this is difficult, and we urge you to continue to remain calm as you have done all week.
Now, we are also learning that 6 Chester County police officers are being quarantined. Officials say the officers were in contact with the Lower Providence Township police officer who has a presumed positive case of COVID-19. Also today, we learned of a doctor at St. Christopher's Hospital who has tested positive. Officials are now tracking the people, families, and patients he may have been in contact with.
All right, Steph, thank you so much.